Hi guys, my name is Jeff Puckett and this is my introduction video. I am currently working as a senior services case manager for a nonprofit agency in an unincorporated area in Northern California. What we are doing for my field placement is we are increasing our abilities and services to this vulnerable population in this area where services are not readily available. And what that means is that I will be providing counseling and therapy Monday, Wednesday, Friday out of my senior center. Like I said, it's a very vulnerable population already, but being in an unincorporated area where services are really limited, they don't have access to many of those needs or options. And then the other thing is that being unincorporated, we're about 15 miles away from the closest city. And so many of the seniors, 60 and older, especially in the higher age brackets, don't have transportation options, don't have technological options to meet the demand or the need that's there. Let's see. What I'm hoping to get out of this field experience. Let's see. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed something. My previous field placement, my first term, was with the homeless outreach program. And so what I was doing was I was out in the mountains, out in the streets, out in the wherever we could go, finding homeless and activating services for them, trying to provide a wraparound approach with different agencies, different programs, getting things done like activating insurance, getting their social security set up, their Medi-Cal, things like that. So there's a big difference in my first field placement opposed to now. What I'm hoping to get out of this second placement is a much more personal level of connection with clients, even if that includes crisis counseling. But I want to get more of a mental and emotional level established with them, opposed to meeting the outside exterior needs that they have. Let's see. That's going to be a really big difference in the fact that from my first placement, mostly what I was doing was resourcing, navigating, and implementing. Whereas now this is diving internally with the individual and dealing with what's going on upstairs, so to speak, in ways that are conducive and healthy for their daily living, but also to help them get past many of their historical traumas from the past that have been ailing them. Something that I'm noticing with the clients that I'm engaging with since this week started is a lot of issues with PTSD. I'm working with several veterans. I'm working with older populations that were victims of domestic violence, spousal abuse, divorce, things like that they've been harboring and ignoring for quite a while, that have really stagnated them in their abilities to move forward. So I think those would be some huge differences. I would still be resourcing, of course, and providing what services I could in whatever magnitude I could. But the purpose of this second placement is to deal more so with the individual where they're at on a mental level. So I look forward to working with the rest of you through this process. We're going to be together the next 9 months. So nice to meet everybody, and we'll talk soon. Bye.